Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Executive Class Limos mobile app to book your reservation. Super simple, so check this out. I'm going to go to download the app, and then this will be the first screen that you go to. All right, you can go to our homepage on our website, check out photos and whatnot, text message, call us, or book now. Book now, you're going to have hourly transportation or point to point. Hourly is best used if you have a lot of stops and you don't want mileage restrictions and you don't want a rigid schedule. You want to be able to bounce around here or there. Or if you have an event and you need the car to stay there because you have stuff in the car, you want hourly. If you're just going to dinner, dropped off, and then pick back up and then going home, point to point is your best route for round trips, one ways, pay per mile, so on and so forth. So let's just do an example here on point to point. And you can do both and compare the prices. So you just put in your address of where you're starting, where you're going, whether it's one way or round trip. You'll select your date, select your time, your pickup time to go back home. So pick up at 12. And then you hit continue. It's going to calculate up the miles. The point-to-point charges per mile. We also call it our pay per mile system. You'll select the number of passengers and it'll tell you which vehicles are available for that size of group. So there you go. These are all the vehicles that will fit that group. And that's going to be one way. And then the next way is the return trip. Return passengers, 8. And boom. And then it's going to give you your total. You're going to continue. You're going to put in your information, and then you'll be able to add any special notes if it's a surprise, if you want to order champagne, child seat, throw in some ice, soda, any of that. That can all be done. And then if you join our VIP group, all you'll want to do is send us a text message and ask us for the promo code this week. This week's promo code is SAVE10. Boom. Tells you it's going to put the 10% on the next page, and it applies it to both trips. It'll be 10% off each trip. And you got to put in your email. There you go. It maps your trip out for you and gives you the billing summary. Boom, there you go. Now you'll see some fuel surcharges and some different things like that. That's simply because we didn't put an exact address. So you want to put your exact address in there, otherwise it'll compensate for fuel. Not knowing exactly where in Frisco or where in Dallas. Obviously those are big locations, so those will go away. If you find any pricing that looks strange or you have questions about it, just give us a call and we are more than happy to walk you through that and make sure that we don't miss you on price. We guarantee the best rates in DFW, so you can put in here how you want to pay. You can also include your gratuity on your card so you don't have to mess with it the day of. And it takes, as you can see, less than 2 minutes to get everything booked. You don't have to pay for the full trip. All you have to do is pay a $100 deposit, which is refundable as long as you cancel with 48 hours notice. Check us out at Executive Class Limos. Download the mobile app and hit us up on the website, executiveclasslimos.com.